Welcome back to another video. This week we are going to take a look at this, the Unagi scooter. This is the dual motor version with 500 watts of power. Let's crack the box open and take a look. Nice looking box. Let's get a quick look at the other side before I crack it open. This is what the scooter looks like. It's looking pretty much all assembled, apart from putting on the handlebars. We've got some goodies. Get rid of that. Yeah. That's pretty easy. There you go, there's your handlebars. We've got one quick start guide, a quick flick. Okay, charger, screws. Yep. Oh wow. Okay, this is really nice. In fact, I have to show you this. So this, you know when BMW make a concept drawing of a car and it looks amazing, and then the car they bring out never looks anything like the concept drawing? To me, this scooter actually looks like one of those really nice BMW concept designs. Everything is, you can see the detail already straight out of the box, and even looking at this, kind of looks like, yeah, a bit BMW concept design, a bit Tesla with the kind of shape on here. It's all looking very nice. First impressions out of the box is someone's definitely put a lot of thought into making this. I'm going to crack on, assemble the handlebar unit, and then take a closer look at the ride. Okay, that's it. Someone's obviously put a lot of thought into this to make it as simple as possible. As you can see, pulled it straight out of the box, lifted the stem, put the top in, and when I put the handlebars on, I just pulled this cable a little bit to tidy the cable up. And I'm just going to push that bit back up again. There we go, we're all done. Okay, I'm sorry about the crazy bright sun and dodgy shadows, but we'll take a look at the scooter in a little more detail, starting with the handset, working your way down to the base. So everything to control the entire scooter is built into this tiny compartment on top of the handlebars. Brake, accelerator, power button, functions, light, horn, absolutely everything is built in here. Really nice sleek design. This is a piece of carbon fibre. It's tapered in the middle, I think, to lose some of the weight, but also it's a nice place to just pick it up. The scooter weighs about 12 kilos, so it's nice and easy to pick up. It's quite well balanced. It's the same carbon fibre used in the SpaceX missions, and it's a super tough, very expensive Japanese carbon fibre. Coming down here, the stem is just a really simple one-click lock, and again, one click locks down. Really nice and simple. the piece here, it's super tough. Once you get your hands on this scooter, you really start to appreciate all the work that's gone into it, every little detail. The piece here at the bottom is all one solid piece of aluminium, and the grip tape is rubber. At first I thought it looked a bit cheap, and then I got my hands on it and it's super grippy. I actually quite like it. First impression, like I said, was it's like a bit of cheap rubber, but again, once you get your hands on the device, it's really quite nice. So the tyres are honeycomb solid rubber. Not a big fan generally of a solid approach. I do like pneumatics from riding a electric skateboard, dealing with all the bumps, especially around London, really bad roads. But then the minute you get a puncture, you hate pneumatics. So I think as far as short commutes go, the option to go with the solid rubber honeycomb was a good idea. We'll do a ride test in the next video and we'll check out how these feel after we'll drain the whole battery and then we'll see how my feet feel after the ride. The rear here has brake lights built in, and it also has a mechanical brake. So if you're going down a hill and the worst happens and there's some kind of electrical failure on the scooter, you can just whack your foot on the back here and you can stop. You'll be okay. And I just like little things like this, that, yeah, just little thoughts, little attention to detail, and you can really see it throughout the whole design. I'm trying to find niggles that annoy me because I want to be, there's got to be some negative to it, but I'm really finding it hard to find things I don't like about it. The tyres are a maybe, we'll see, I understand that. I peeled this sticker off here and it's left a dirty mark, and that really bugs my OCD a little bit. The battery built in under the plate here is a Sony 9 amp hour. The quoted range for this is 15 miles. As we know, real world miles are never quite the same. These are tested on ideal conditions at the best speed with a light rider, flat ground. So I will get out with a full charge, do a range test of myself at 100 kilos, and we'll see what kind of real world range we get out of the ride. The charge time for this is 4 to 5 hours. I did have a look at the charger. I'll just grab it. So the charger that comes in the box is very small, very light, and if you're commuting and you're taking this to work, I understand the benefit of having a very small, very light charger. From skating, when I'm carrying my fast charger in my backpack, I really feel the weight of it. But this is a 2 amp charger. Let's say 2.5 amps. So you're looking at 4 to 5 hour recharge time, which is fine if you are at work. You can plug it in, you can leave it. But there is no reason why this battery can't be charged at 4 amps and really cut the time down of charging. Okay, you're going to get a slightly heavier charger, but I would like to see this as an option. Fast charger would be really good. So that's a quick unbox and look over the scooter. All in all, I'm actually very impressed by it. There's a lot of attention to detail, as you can see right down from the packaging itself, all the components, the simple ease of use of assembly. It's just 4 screws to attach the top. Push the button and you're on your way. One simple click up and down. Easy foot brake in case of emergency. No maintenance tyres. 2 hub motors. Absolutely fantastic. I'm really looking forward to getting out for a ride. I'm going to do a range test. I'm going to charge it up now. Video 2 will be a ride review and full range test at 100 kilos. I'll put full specs in the show notes below so you can check it out, and I'll get back to you in part 2.